All right, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to the home screen of your Motorola phone. And in case you're not familiar, widgets are these little, kind of like apps that show information in real time. Could be your weather, calendar, music, favorite photos, whatever. This thing here is a widget too. They're pretty fun, and to add a widget, you're going to go to the home screen and then press and hold any empty space on your home screen. You'll see this menu open here, and here on the bottom left, you're going to tap Widgets. Then you'll see this list here. These are all the widgets that are available on your phone. A lot of apps on your phone will have their own widget, but not every app has one. Overall, a lot to choose from, and you can expand the view and choose the kind of widget that you want to add. So, if I wanted to add this one here, I could select it and then tap the plus icon to add it. This particular widget takes me to the settings first. Not every widget does this, but for weather info, it wants to make sure it's displaying the correct location. I can also change the accent color, which is kinda nice. Once I'm happy with my customization, I'll tap Save, and it goes to my home screen. Now I could tap, hold, and drag it to a different position on the home screen, and not only can you move it within that page, but you can move them across different pages on your home screen, assuming that there is enough space. So this page, for example, this is completely full, meaning I can't put more widgets there, but I could put it on a new page where I have free space. Here I have a calendar, Spotify, and a weather widget. And if I long press and move this weather widget here, for example, you'll notice how after I did the long press and move, there's now a little border around the widget. Sometimes, depending on which widget you're using, you can use that border to resize them. Some of them have only 1 or 2 different sizes available, some of them have more, so you can try those borders and see if it allows a resizing. Like I said, to move them, you press and hold, and then you can move them within your homepage. Widgets only work on the homepage though, so when you swipe up to go to the app drawer, you cannot use them here. If you want to remove a widget, you can long press it, and then on top of your screen, you'll see a little remove button appear. You can just pull it on that and let go, and it goes away. Also, tapping a widget takes you directly to that app. You see how tapping the weather widget takes me to the weather app, or tapping my calendar widget, for example, takes me to the calendar app. And that's widgets on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.